Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pay with the gift cards on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. For this video we are going to follow this uh, help center pages or articles on eBay. And basically here are some informations about the gift cards on eBay. So to pay with a gift card you will need to an eBay account that is registered in the US and of course a US shipping address so you can be able to use the eBay gift cards. And basically your gift card won't expire and there is no fees. Now we are going to learn how you can pay or how you can use this eBay gift card. So from here we can learn about that. So how do I pay with an eBay gift card? So basically all you need to do is to simply go to any checkout page for any product. That means you will need just to simply go to the product you want to buy, and from there you will find the gift card as payment method. So for example, let's go for this, and this item here we are going uh, to do it. And here we need just to go to the checkout page. So basically I'm just going to click on buy now, and then you will have like your shipping address, and you can split between two, etc. And basically here you would find gift cards and coupons. So from here you will need just to enter the redemption code that you have on your gift card and select on apply. So basically by clicking adding the code you will need just to click on apply, and then you will have your amount that will be deducted from the checkouts, and in case it has like the full amount it will become just zero, and then you can just confirm and pay. So you click confirm and pay, and uh, basically that's all. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.